Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to show you how to use the center tag to align the text in the center of our web browser. So let's start. So before starting I would give you a Maggie recap of our last lecture. So we learned how to use the font tag and its attributes, and also we learned the bonus tip which I gave, that is HR tag. So the with the use of the HR tag we can um, print we can insert a line after a text. So and the font tag and its attributes help. The font attributes are size, color, and face. The font face is like the font style, like Arial, Comic Sans, Times New Roman. So these are the font styles, font face, and the color gives the color to our text, and size gives us the size we want, the the size we want for a text to display, and the size is only up to 1 to 7. And this was our sample code, and with the help of the title tag we inserted a title of our web page, and this peach puff is the bg color, gave us the background of our web browser, which is peach, which we write it as peach puff. And size, face, and color I explained you. And the BR tag helps us to print the text in the next line, and the alternative for font size is H1. And then we inserted a HR tag, which is this one, and we drew a line here. So let's start. So before starting, I would give you the the where the place now where we stand. So in the first session we completed the introductory session. Then the second we finished the how to print the text and change the background of the web browser. And then in our last lecture we learned font tag and its water font tag and what is font tag and its attributes. And then today we'll be learning how to use center tag. So let's start. So before starting, I mean, like, this is the sample code for center tag, and um, this is the HTML tag, and this is the head tag where we are writing our title. Then the body BG color I gave it as green, and then center H2, because I only want to change the font size of Hello Friend, so I'm using H2. I don't want to change the color of the Hello Friends and the font face of the Hello Friends. So that's why I'm using H2. So I'll align Hello Friends in the center, and then I close it. Then the font size is 5. Then font face is Arial, and the color is blue. And I have written welcome to my channel, and then I have inserted a comma. I mean, like, it's the text, and then I close the font tag, and I have give a HR. The full form of HR is horizontal ruler. And then I have written like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. And one more important thing, the PPT which I am showing you now, it is available on the description box. You can download it and you can refer that as a um, theory part. Like, you can understand, if you are having any doubts in the program, you can see the PPT and you can solve your doubts, or you can comment down below and or ask me in the email address given in the about section. So after writing the text, I have closed the body tag and the HTML tag. So now let's start. We'll see how to use center tag in Notepad. Like, we'll see how to execute it. So friends, I have opened the Notepad, and now let's start writing the um, uh, program. So before going, I'll change the font to 28. It's fine. Okay. And hello friends. So I have opened the notepad. So now we'll start writing the HTML program. So the starting should be with HTML tag, and then we write the head tag, and then we write the tag, title tag, and then we write the heading of our web page. So which is center tag, center tag. Then we close the title tag, and then we close the head tag also, head tag. And then we start writing our body section. So body tag, we open the body tag, then we choose the color of our web page. Then I'll give it cyan, and then we close the uh, opening of the body tag, and then we write I'll use center tag. And one thing you need to remember in English, the spelling of center is this, like this. So we should not write like this. We should write it center, like this. We need to write. So this thing you need to remember, center, and then we write the text. Hello friends. And then if you want only the specific only hello friends to be in the center, you can close the center tag, center. And then I'll use the font tag, and then size I'll give 4. Then face I'll give um, comic sans ms. So now color will give color, will give red. And now we'll write the text, welcome, welcome to my channel. Yes, now I'll close the font tag, and now I'll give HR tag. Then we'll give okay, um, I am your instructor for this HTML course. And I'll give it H, um give it H2 or H4 is fine. Then I close the H4 tag, and now I'll insert a center tag, and then I'll write um, like my video, comment down below, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Um, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest notifications of my video. Yes. So after that I'll close the center tag, and then I close the body tag, body tag, and then I close the HTML tag. And one thing you need to remember that the attributes, I mean like this, I have used body bg color. So your bg color is the attribute of body. So if I close the body tag, the bg color also gets closed. So now we will save it. Sample codes, center tag dot html, the most important thing, dot html extension, and then we'll click save, and then we'll open the Google Chrome, Control O, then we'll go to the folder in which we saved sample codes, center tag. So here you can see hello friends is in the middle, but it's too small. I mean like the font size is too small, so we can increase it. We'll go to the notepad, then we can give here h1, and then we will close it. Control S, or you can go to file, save, you go to the Chrome, Google Chrome, and then we'll refresh it. So you can see here it is more larger, the font size is more big, and then it's in the center as well. So welcome to my channel. It is in red color, and then HR tag. Then I am your instructor for this HTML course. Then I have I have told you to make it in the center. It is a big line, so it will come like this because it's a big sentence. So it is in the center. I'm your instructor for this HTML course. Like my video, comment down below, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest notification of my video. So if you want a line after come a line should come after here, so you can go, I'll go to the notepad again, and then can insert a hr tag, hr tag. HR tag is an empty tag, so it doesn't need its closing. Only opening is needed, is required. HR tag, and then yes, we'll go to the file, save, then go to the Google Chrome, then we'll click refresh. So you can see here there is a line coming here. And if you want this one to this font size should be big, um, so I'll go to the notepad, font size I'll change, I'll keep it 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, Or okay, I'll try 8 because it's only from 1 to 7, right? So let's try 8, putting it. So I have changed. So I'll click save. I'll go to the Google Chrome. I'll do refresh. So you can see, I mean, like it is changing, but it is not. It's not recommended. We'll go to only 1 to 7 is, I mean, like you can. It's not that you can even use 72, but it's not that you should use only 1 to 7, but 1 to 7 is more appropriate. So we'll go. I'll 7, no, 5 is enough. Then we'll click Control S, and then we'll go to the Chrome tab, and then we'll refresh. And one thing you can notice here, the title is center tag, as we have written center. I mean the title of our web page is center tag because we used the title tag in our notepad document. So you can see here center tag. And the bonus tip is, like, if I want this hello friends to be bold, italic, and underlined, or bold and italic. So we'll use b tag. So this helps us to make the text bold, and I tag helps us to make the text in italic. So I'll click save, Control S, go to the Chrome tab. I'll click refresh. So you can see here it was already bold. So 1 minute I will. So I did not close that B tag and I tag. So it is applying for the all. It is applying for the whole document. So is already hello friends is already in bold. We'll remove it. I'll remove the H1 tag. Then I'll close the B tag because I want it only for the hello friends text. Then I'll click Control S. I'll go to the Chrome tab. Will refresh. So you can see here it is bold and it is underlined. It is italic also. And this is not bold, and it is not even in italic. So if I want this one, like my video, the this sentence to be underlined, so I'll go to the notepad again. I'll I'll insert a U tag, and then I'll close it. Control S, Chrome tab, then I'll refresh it. So you can see here it is underlined. So before that, I'll make hello friends big, the text, and make it big. I'll go H1, Control S, go to Chrome tab, and refresh it. So that's it for today, guys. If you liked my video, drop a thumbs up and comment down below, uh, and share it as much as possible. And also do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest notification of my videos. Thank you.